Chad, what are you doing?
Blow me. Sign up now for fansonly.com.
Fans only. It's only fans.
Whatever it is. That's a copyright thing. Wiki.
Oh Lord. All right, folks, we're on the flats catching bait. There is bait on the flats.
Give me a smoochie.
And we did catch it at a marker too, though.
Come on, man.
That poor blowfish. That's the biggest blowfish I've seen.
I thought that thing
big
going because he's trying to blow back up.
But anyway, we're almost done catching bait, and we're gonna head offshore. It's beautiful today.
And we haven't been drinking at all, I swear.
Nope. Come on, Tony, don't let the shark eat it.
Oh, you
You let the shark eat it. Come on.
I was trying that time.
You better put that thing in high speed.
Yeah, I guess
He just got eaten.
You let go?
I don't know.
There you go. What's left?
It's still swimming, whatever it is. Not now. I think it's a shark, but I think I've had him on the whole time. Put that net away, you know. It's not anything good. No, it's a freaking giant king. It is a giant kingfish.
Didn't fight like
Yeah, you weren't lying about them being out here, Chad.
I said they should be because there was a ton of bait.
That's not going to fit in the net.
Just to get the head in. Don't lose it. We can get it in the gaff too. Got the gaff right there.
Come on. Yeah, easy for you to say.
Just stay there a second.
That one would have won. No, he wouldn't have won, but...
Fish.
Yeah, well, it's bigger than the one we caught. Where was this last weekend? Well, that's 3 fish for Todd, 2 keepers. One is a giant snapper.
There's a gag.
There's a nice gag. He might keep. Long.
This is going to be a little short.
Probably barely though.
Not the right species.
Look at that blood all over the place.
Just nasty. Just dirty.
The hogfish king. What's going on?
You got me where the hogfish are apparently.
I think they may have moved in a little bit. We may have to stop on the way in and check a couple of spots in like 50, 45, 50.
Oh, we started it.
52. We caught one there, but the shark. I think they're here. Uh-oh. Could that be the first one, or is that a gag?
Nope, let's fight one.
Wouldn't that be something? Uh-oh, we got a double. Here, a double.
Nope, it's a mango.
No, it's a big
it's a
lane. Oh my God, look at the size of that lane. Jeez. What you got, Eli? God.
Bro. Oh,
got
a big mangrove.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Is that on a white bait?
Eli?
Huh?
Is that on white bait?
Yep.
One of the biggest ones I could find in there.
Tony, what are you doing? Have you put anything in the box?
Yeah, I've had a couple. Got a porgy.
Have you? A porgy?
A couple lanes while they're still not in danger.
Yeah.
Not a lot though. Nothing to write home
Nothing
about.
like mine, right?
No, nothing to write
Nothing
home
like the
about.
mangrove snapper, the kingfish.
Oh, you're doing good. You're doing good.
Well, oh, they're over here
We
trying
got
to
a
wrangle the shark just to save a jig head that we have thousands of. Yeah, he just came right up behind the boat. Don't think he's gonna keep, but you never know. Not a keeper, but hey, it's fun. Feel like another hoggy?
Feels like it.
Finally started getting into some hogfish. Nope. Big old lane.
He's got a crab in his mouth. Big one. Big past crab in his mouth. Really.
Color. Ooh, God.
That's gonna keep.
Huh?
That's gonna keep.
Yeah.
Nice. Time.
I knew they were here. Porgy coming over the rail. Nice grouper. Woo! So basically what I'm doing is I'm using the slacker jig with a whole piece of frozen sardine and just taking the tail off and sending it down. That's what I just caught that keeper gag on. Caught some nice snapper on the slacker, 1/4 ounce huggy. Those guys have been catching a bunch on huggies and stewies. I've caught some fish on bigger stewies. Right now we're in a major feeding time. Bite's been pretty decent. Hopefully get a couple of, we've got a box full of fish, I can tell you that right now. You know, leave it to Eli and me. We're the ones that, well, we got the gags. Just like that, folks. Slacker jig's coming through again. This one feels like a snapper. Oh yeah, good one. Triple hookup. Eli, what are you doing over there? So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking this frozen sardine, taking a little bit of the tail off, hooking them right through the top of the head, and sending them down. This one's kind of close to being done, but hey, you just gotta let it flow. I'm in 66 feet of water, so Eli finally decides to join the party. So I'll pull it out about 7 times, and then I'll feed it by hand. Chad just caught him a mutton. From Chad went out last Saturday while I was fishing the King of the Beach, and Tony's on too, and he actually caught how many schoolmasters? 6 schoolmasters. From what we're being told, it's a nice decent snapper. From what we're being told is that they got pushed up by Hurricane Ian, and I've heard people catching muttons, and boom, there's a mutton. No. It's a big gag. Woo.
I did not see that.
Big old gag.
Smacking all around like that. Yeah.
Come on, man. Hi, my name's Eli, and I like to catch gumbies. If people don't know what we're talking about,
Gumby, get all the way over here.
a gumby is
Get that up here. You got my line.
is a nurse shark. He's got your line too?
Yeah.
He had mine. Oh yeah, I see yours. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, that's my jig.
Yeah.
Can you get it?
No. Ah! Broke off on Gumby.
Wait.
Yeah, he's got you.
Oh, okay.
My name is Gumby. And Eli likes to catch me. Stay in the boat. Well guys, that was a lot of fun. Post hurricane Nicole fishing. Sorry, I'm gonna make this short. The mosquitoes are everywhere. These guys have a lot of fish to clean and I don't feel bad for them. Anyway, we had a lot of fun, caught a lot of fish, and we just want to say thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. We had our good friend Eli Big Fish on the boat today. As you saw, he caught the biggest grouper. I caught the second biggest grouper. Probably the biggest snapper. No, I think
Eli.
no, your snapper wasn't the biggest. Slackline Tony. He caught his personal best. But anyway, we just want to say thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. Fish more, catch more, and we'll see you on the flip side.